Hello. Guess who?
Hi.
Christian.
I'm Clara.
Yeah, gangsta style.
We're just sitting in here.
Enjoying the sun. We're getting a tan.
Oh yeah.
We're gonna get more tan than you.
Apparently, he's got more tan than me, which he probably does, but I can't
Apparently,
admit
yeah, apparently. I mean, we can tell.
that. Yeah. Whatever. So.
There's no clouds whatsoever.
Yeah. I would show you, but then it would be like I had to go there, put the camera in.
Yeah. Too much work. We're lazy people, especially in Norway.
Oh yeah, show her what we bought.
That thing?
Yeah. Well, not the whole thing. The grapes.
We bought grapes. There's not much left.
It's not really pretty.
We're
but
sorry,
it
you can't have any. I would share, but
if you came over here, right?
yeah. At least getting the same continent.
Yeah, exactly. And not a big time difference. But now you're in Shanghai, so.
Go China.
Woo!
You know the Chinese national anthem.